What's up, guys? I'm back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a mic and I'm trying to speak up so you guys can hear me. And I'm really trying to project my voice, but hopefully the audio is really good on this recording. So I'm back for a reason. Your girl got rebooked to do Cosmopolitan's Snapchat series, The Braid Up. I'm gonna cue the applause. I'm gonna cue the applause coming right back in the Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. They want me back, and I'll be doing two models. I'm super excited about that. I have to be there tomorrow at 8:45. So I actually have to do so much things today. Well, not really so much. I have to clean my apartment. My apartment looks a hot ass fucking mess. Looks a mess. I need to clean it. And then I also have to do something to this hair. I wanted to rock it curly, but honestly, it's gonna look crazy on TV because I haven't colored it. Well, not TV. It's gonna be filmed and it's gonna be like on a Snapchat series. But the camera is basically like TV cameras, and we can't have me looking like this on camera. So I think that I'm gonna go brown just for the simple fact that I'm just so tired of the maintenance for this orange. And honestly, I want to like start doing extensions and stuff, and I really don't feel like coloring my hair, then dyeing the hair and everything. So I think that right now I'm gonna do a brown rinse, like a nice brown rinse. But when I start school, I'm gonna dye it like brown and keep it that way. Cut it, like I'm probably gonna cut it to like right here or something. Put some extensions in. Live, live cute, look cute, prepare to be cute, cute, cute. Okay. Studio. I actually had one client, so I'm about to head out. I just want to film before I get started. I will probably record myself when I dye my hair. I am gonna keep the mic handy so you guys can hear everything I'm saying. And I'm I don't know if I'm gonna record myself cleaning. Probably if I like find the proper way to prop it. But if anything, I'll just come to y'all with an update like every fucking hour, and y'all could see the progress. My apartment has got out of hand and needs to be controlled. I have like one of the biggest one bedrooms I personally from me that I know of that anyone else that I know of. So that shit is a lot to handle. Like I need to get my life together. I bought all the cleaning products. I was on TikTok going crazy. Like, how do I clean my bathroom? Because honestly, I pay people. I'm sorry, judge me if y'all want or whatever, but I just hate cleaning. And honestly, if I have to handle doing all the stuff that I do on top of like cleaning and really hard labor, like I would be a freaking mess. The only reason why I'm cleaning now is because I'm really trying to penny pinch because I have to save for school and your girl don't got nails on. So I'm cleaning before any of that stuff is on because if anybody knows me, y'all know I do not do manual labor. I just can't. I can't. Like if I can just pay someone to do it, I'm gonna do it. And I plan to live the life that I provide for myself for the long run and even better, bigger, extra. So that's that. Well, let me get out of here. I have so much stuff to do. I need to get the heck out of here and go to my house and get my life. My friend just wrote me, and she's my nail tech, and I need to get my nails done for the Snapchat series. And thank God she's gonna take me. So I'll probably record as when I'm with her as well. We be chilling, chit chatting. I'm asking her to see if it's cool if I record her because we just be chilling in our zone. And I don't know if she's gonna want the YouTube camera all in her face, but I feel like all my friends are gonna make their little debuts in my vlog because this is my life. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. This is me. This vlog is not about school. It's about me. About to be on Cosmopolitan, the Braid Up series on Snapchat again for the fourth time because it's gonna be the third and fourth. So three, four. I'm lit. Your girl is doing some things, okay? And I hope that by the end of this, I hope that when I finish school and when I do all this stuff, that I'm able to get a Snapchat series. And I'm actually gonna try and pitch something to the director that does the Snapchat series. Like, I feel like we should do a series where like I go back to school to beauty school and stuff, and I show people in New York how to navigate and how to go to school and like make it a cute series. And maybe I'll inspire a lot of girls that are currently home based and self taught to get your ass to school because we gotta want bigger and better for ourselves, and we have to start with our education. It's just you you can't ignore it. You can't hide from it. You gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm out. Guys, excuse the chain going back and forth with the mic. I had no idea that you can hear it that clear. I couldn't hear it that clear, so I didn't think you guys can hear it that clear. This is just real trial and error for me. Like, honestly, this is such a fucking learning journey. And this vlogging stuff, it's not that easy. But I'm gonna keep doing it until I get better. So, y'all gonna see all my mess ups. So, excuse the chain in the back of that video, but it's staying. It's staying. Okay? So, enjoy. I gotta go, like I said. Bye. Getting my nails done at 12 o'clock in the night because my friend loves me. I look crazy. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do to my hair, but we gonna figure it out. Hey, babe. Watching some documentary. I'll record the nails. The bitch is tired. One young woman just body surfed. But the real issue wasn't who was rioting, right? The question was, why were they rioting? I think it's just a cultural thing. Thank you. I love you. Taking my ass to bed. Good morning. So last night I ended up finishing my nails at like 2 in the morning. They look so cute. Ugh, I love me some Tiff, the Bronx polish for anyone who needs to know. But I am currently getting ready to do Cosmopolitan. I ended up just rinsing my hair and doing this. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera. I really don't care. Focus on the hairstyle because I was gonna do stuff, but then got lazy. Couldn't do it. Didn't want to do it. So I'm gonna try my best to record like while I'm there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to, but I'm bringing my little light that I'm using right now, and I'm bringing my mic, so y'all are gonna hear me and see me, and I hope I'm able to record just a little bit. But let me finish getting ready. I'll talk to y'all later. So I actually got here earlier than I expected. I got here like 20, 30 minutes early. It's like 8:20 right now. I just grabbed some breakfast. I grabbed an iced coffee and a donut. And I found this little area right here. I believe the building is more down there. I think it's gonna rain or it's raining. Ugh, I'm supposed to be having a fucking field day today. And the weather is terrible. I feel like every time I plan something, it's like always rain. Like, and I don't know why, but I feel like I check the fucking calendar, the weather, and it doesn't say it's gonna rain. And then as soon as my event comes, it's raining. So let's hope there's no rain, because if there's rain, we're just gonna have an indoor, like game day or game night, and we're gonna have to postpone the barbecue. But let's hope, let's hope. All right, I'm about to contact the person I'm working for today, let them know that I'm in the area, and then I'll keep y'all posted. Talk to y'all later. Okay, so I'm here. I was eating a donut, so I already had to clean myself up so I could look okay for camera, because I know I have some glazed little white things, but this is my bag that I bought with me, my personal bag. The bathroom is so cute. Okay. artist has already started on my model's makeup. She has a lot of hair. I'm hoping I'm able to just do the bantu knots on her and then do a different style on a different model. But for right now, that girl has a lot of hair. A little nervous. Let's see how this goes. Set life, set life. Your girl was on sets. Like, what can y'all tell me? Like, on your local Snapchat story, make sure to stay tuned. This is one of the hairstyles I did, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next one. Prepping for another model to set up. I believe my next style is a ponytail. I'm excited. What's up, guys? So I'm on my way back home. I just did the data. I'm in the training now. And I have my microphone. Because I'm ready. I'm vlogging. I went to my last home. And I'm about to get off and do stuff. So I'll talk to you later. I guess I still have picnic. It's gonna be like a 2-day vlog or something. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm excited. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, so it's the next day. Honestly, this vlog is ending right here because I dragged it. Like, this was just supposed to be like the Cosmopolitan thing and me getting my nails done. And I was gonna add the picnic, but honestly, it was a mess. It didn't go as planned. I had a great time, don't get me wrong. But it's just, I didn't record. I just wanted to live in the moment. So that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog for the day. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to post a video once a week. So this is her right here. So stay tuned for my next video next week. I think that my next video is going to be touching more on the glam plan and just what I'm doing in my business and just preparing myself for school, and then I'm gonna roll out the school content. So I hope you guys are excited to see that. Until next time.